In this video, I'll show you how to find the model number and also the serial number of your PS5 controller. It's actually very easy to find this information, and the first step is to obviously go on the back of the controller itself. Now let me put it on the table so you see better. So to know the model number, this is quite easy because it's literally say wireless controller model and something beside it. In my case, it's CFIZCT1W. So this is the model number. For the serial number, well, it does not say serial number. The information you're looking for, it's right over here. It's on the right side where it's saying N0M or NOM. If you have trouble seeing this code, I have a quick tip for you. You see over there, there's a QR code. If you scan this QR code with your iPhone or Android smartphone, it will give you the serial code. So you don't have to squint your eyes and try to type whatever you're seeing there. Let me show you what I mean by this. So if you have an iPhone, you just need to open the regular camera app. If you have an Android phone, there's another way to scan the QR code. I think the basic camera app also does it. Anyway, just point the camera to the QR code and you see over here, it has already recognized that this is a QR code and it gives you the serial number. So simply click on this yellow tab and it will search Google. Obviously, this is not what we want, but the good news is that your code is right on the top. So you just have to keep press on it like this. Then click on select all, copy. And if you were, for example, chatting on the on PlayStation website because you need a replacement and they ask you for the serial code, well, you simply go and paste whatever you have copied here. It's much easier than trying to read it on the back of the controller. But overall, this is it. This is how you find the model name and also the serial name of your PS5 controller. Please leave a comment down below if this was helpful. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.